Hey guys, welcome to Fortune Masterclass Season 2. This is your chef Vicky Ratnani. We are doing a recipe using Fortune besan. Now besan आप जानते हो हम उसे बंगाल ग्राम चना दाल से बनता है और ये काफी पौष्टिक. It's a very healthy kind of pulse flour which we use and it is overtaking the other flours. Why? Because it's very versatile. You can do a lot of things with it. I would love to do a vada pav for you because I live in Maharashtra and I am a vada pav junkie. I love eating vada pav. Now, when I'm asked to look after my health, they say no, don't have the vada pav. Instead of putting the vada in the pav, put the kothambir vadi in the pav. So I said, yeah. So I said, why don't I do a nice kothambir vadi? So we are doing a kothambir vadi right now. And for that, the first thing what we have to do is actually use coriander, yani ke fresh dhania. You have to wash the dhania. After that, you have to dry it. Okay, drying it is very important. Okay, so पहले तो हम करेंगे fine chopping इसकी. Hold it together. Now, when you are chopping, you got to make sure that the knife is not like this. Okay. You know why what's going to happen? You know what's going to happen? It's going to cut you. Exactly. So you have to actually literally keep the knife away, and this is the part, this is the bridge which is very important to you. So all you guys, if you all want to start chopping with me over there, go into your kitchen and grab your knives now, and we go like this.
Okay, so this is the motion that...
Yeah, so you are literally using, and you're going really fine.
Okay.
And don't worry about going too fast.
You can take your time.
Get the motion correct, and then you can slowly increase speed when you get a little more confident. Now the other way to chop it is, if you want to finely chop it, then what we do is we use this as, you take the tip and the tip becomes like the fulcrum, okay? And then this becomes the lever and you go like this. Simply go like this. We've chopped up 1 cup,
right? Okay.
of coriander. Okay. So we're going to put this in here. Beautiful. And then what we have, the same quantity, almost the same quantity of Fortune besan. Besan is also called chickpea flour. It's also called Bengal gram flour. So it is very tasty. Now also what happens is that when in some recipes, you also roast the besan. Besan ko hum thoda bhoonte hain. And now we have, yeah, please go ahead.
I was just going to say, you very rightly said that this is a very healthy recipe because since we are using chana besan, it's completely gluten free. Also, the best part about using, I think, Fortune besan, chef, is the fact that it's 100% pure.
Now the standard recipe is called for a bit of dhania, jeera, which I'm going to just... So I've got about 1 big tablespoon of jeera, dhania. I've got a little bit of turmeric.
Okay.
And I've got a little bit of red chili powder. We have a little bit of salt going in here. Okay.
Okay.
You don't really need a steamer. Okay. It's a container with water. And then you put another container into it. As long as water gets into it, it's called a steamer. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of thoda sa pani.
Okay.
Little bit, so almost like 1 cup of water. Either you can also use buttermilk, which gives a really nice flavor to it. Okay. Now the plan is that I'm going to be steaming this, I'm going to be cooling this down, and guess what I'm going to be doing to it? I'm going to be actually grilling it. So frying it, I'm going to be grilling it, and normally we serve like a green chutney with it, which I love. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a little pineapple chutney for you. It's pretty hot. Next, we are going to drop this batter inside. We shut this down. Now this, I would do it about 12 to 15 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes to steam it until it'll get a little puffed up. After which I'm going to cool it down. So the whole process takes about prep plus cooking about 30 minutes. So now I'm started off cooking my chutney actually for the pineapple. Now basically what is a chutney? Okay, now when you look at chutneys, Most of our chutneys are quite fresh. They are made with leaves, with spices, with spices, with souring agents. So what I'm actually doing is I'm making a sweet and spicy chutney. My sweet and souring agents are vinegar, and I'm using honey. So that's going to be our basic to give us the sweet and sour element. For the spice element, I'm using aromats such as cloves, badi ilaichi और छोटी इलायची use कर रहा हूँ मैं. We have our onions, we have our ginger, we have a pineapple which we'll do. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of oil, not too much, just to sweat my. So basically, you just have to slice it and just make sure that you know the eyes of the pineapple are gone. It is a little prickly, okay. Also, when you choose a pineapple, you have to actually smell it to make sure that if it's really sweet. This is a semi-sweet pineapple because I'm actually using to cook it. But as a fruit, I prefer using a much riper pineapple than this. Okay. So we got some cardamom over here. We've got elaichi. We can also use any other spices, basically aromats. I'm also adding a little bit of chili flakes here. And then is the sweet and souring thing. We've got some vinegar. Generally vinegar and honey is almost in equal parts. So I'm going to be... Okay, so this is the base of your chutney. And as this is simmering, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the pineapple in there. Okay. So we just cut the pineapple. And then again we just cut it into cubes, slices, whatever you like. Perfect. To this I'm adding a little bit of salt to this. I'm going to also be adding just a touch, not too much, of a little bit of haldi as well. Okay? Okay. Done. So I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to let the chutney cook. It takes about, can you pass me this? Yeah. Is this one fine? Yeah, that's perfect. So the chutney is cooking right now. So this basically has to reduce, not. Okay, that's what it's going to. Yeah, it's going to just. That's great. So let's look at our. If this is ready, same thing. You take a knife and you poke it inside. Okay. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Okay. This is a pretty flat one which I have made because, as I said, I'm going to be grilling it. So it's going to be like almost like a torta which they make in Mexico. Like you said, so amchi kothambir vadi atta ready aaye. We have to cool it down, and now you can see that the vinegar and the honey is reducing. In French we call it a gastrique, which is sweet and sour. And so the sweet sour plus the sweet sour pineapple is going to add a lot of flavor to this. Your elaichi and your haldi and your red chili flakes and your ginger and your onion are going to give a really nice flavor to this chutney. I'm going to reduce it all the way down. Okay, so we have our steam grill pan. So we have a grill pan, which I think it's a really good idea if we switch on the gas. Okay. Okay. Now this chutney, I'm going to reduce it further down. थोड़ा सा और उसको हल्का सा हम ठंडा करेंगे. Okay, we're going to make it a little loose. So we're going to have a really nice, funky looking chutney. I'm just waiting for it to go all the way down. Until then, let's grill our kothambir vadi. Oops. For our grilling. Pan is already hot. We're going to be grilling it now. Yes. Okay. And so we're going to be nicely grilling this in a pan. Okay. Now, when we talk about grilling, grilling means cooking on a grill or under a grill. It's a short cooking method. You can grill vegetables. You can grill kothambir vadi. As creative as you want. That's what cooking is all about. I'm going to have a look here.
Oh, okay. So you have to keep checking.
I guess so.
Perfect.
No?
Yeah. So
we're just turning this over. Okay. It's going to get a nice crisp surface as well. You can cut this into really nice shapes if you wish. While it's on the grill, we can even cut it on the grill, just like this. Okay.
Oh, this is really cool. So, okay, so we are basically using these cutters to sort of get the like a very cute small circular shape, and we are grilling these, and we are grilling them using
and
oil.
Don't worry,
right?
whatever's left over can be chopped up and used to make a nice salad. You can use the kothambir vadi, chop it up into cubes. जैसे हम salad में croutons डालते हैं, वैसे आप कोथिंबीर वड़ी के baked pieces भी डाल सकते हो, which is also a really healthy alternative.
Okay, so while this is grilling this, and we have our chutney that's reducing as well, I'm just going to quickly check questions. But chef, we've used oil over here. What kind of oil have we used?
We've used, I know it's soybean oil.
Okay.
Which is really good for all-purpose cooking. You want to normally cook, you want to fry. This oil is really good. It's very Fortune soybean oil is actually.
Okay, so cool. So we use soybean oil.
Yeah, it's rich in omega-3. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And I love using it because it does not alter or sabotage, as we say, your flavors. Now, and as you see, this is becoming really nice and glassy. The pineapple is like almost cooked. If you want to check the pineapple, अगर हमने pineapple अच्छी तरह पकाया है, all you need to do is put a knife through this. Okay. It's still about 2 to 3 minutes to go.
Okay. And we've grilled our kothambir vadi here. We haven't like really fried it, which I think is going to make it healthy. Also, we've used soya-bean. We've used Fortune soya-bean oil, and it's like rich with omega-3. So, you know, for all those people who are watching their health, which I think is everybody these days, and as you should, this is like the perfect way for you to eat these crispy snacks without, you know, worrying about, oh God, it's going to be like, you know, unhealthy or whatever. So it gives you like, you know, gives you healthy alternatives. And since it's good for you, it's good for like your skin. So you can definitely use like soya-bean oil to make it a little more healthy. Okay. So we're going to blend this now. And I'm very excited because it's smelling really good. The aroma is just too good.
Beautiful chutney is ready. And you know what is the best part of this chutney? You know what really is the best part about this chutney? And you know what really is the best part about this chutney? Is that you can make this in advance, cool it down, and keep it in your fridge for at least 2 to 3 months without a problem. To give it a really good flavor. So, this is better than any your store-bought chutney. Okay, and
pineapple chutney, and it's almost ready, right?
It's not almost ready, it's ready.
It's ready, okay. And I think this is the perfect time to ask you this question, because Mehak Goyal's asked us this question ki ye chutney we've made, you know, like we've learnt a fruit chutney today, but other than pineapple, what other fruits can we sort of like use to...
I'll tell you, that's a very good question, my dear lady. Any fruits which are kind of firm and which will hold their shape or are high in pectins. Pineapple is great. Apple is amazing. Mango, of course, you must have made. Melon, cantaloupe, papaya, pumpkin. Pumpkin chutney is just mind-blowing. So we've got these beautiful... can you get me my flowers, Ka?
So we have like a lot of fun colors, I would say.
So let's make a nice plate for my friends. We're going to be snipping some of these flowers. I think pink is pretty pretty today. So we're going to add some flowers to our dish.
Okay.
Now for our kothambir vadi, The kothimir vadi has gone a little gourmet. So this beautiful, delicious street food or snack or comfort food from my state where I come from, Maharashtra, very proud to be, has gone a little gourmet, and we've got a little canopy style of kothimir vadi which we are making here today with the one and only Fortune Besan. Okay, so I'm going to be topping this with a little bit of हमारी घर की अनानास की चटनी. So this is sweet, this is spicy, this is sour, this is healthy, and it's tasty. हे आमची कोथिंबीर वडी आहे. आमची महाराष्ट्राची, proud to be Maharashtrian, from Maharashtra. So I think it's all about being effective. You don't have to buy the most expensive plates. So we've got, I think we've covered a good amount of points today.
Yeah.
I hope you have enjoyed it as much as my co-host has. She seems to be having a good time. And then I have some sesame seeds, which I'm going to be putting it right on top here.
Okay.
So this is my style of kothimir vadi or kothimir vadi 2020.
Okay.
Thank you very much for the Fortune Masterclass Season 2. And thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for tuning in.